Today we're checking out the Gravastar Mercury K1 75% wireless mechanical gaming keyboard. Shout out to the keyboard go himself, Hippotech, for showing me a bunch of different keyboards with unique designs, but even with my fair share of experience with keyboards, I haven't seen anything like this. A stock keyboard that comes in a case that looks like this. And today I'm gonna be checking it out. When they reached out to me, I wasn't too sure at first because, a bunch of keyboard companies reach out to me and, a lot of them just feel like the most generic keyboards. But when I saw this case design, I was like, oh yeah, we gotta check this one out. So let's go ahead and open it up. This time I'm not gonna have a top-down camera because I feel like this is a more genuine keyboard unboxing experience. So right out of the sleeve, we also have this crazy paint splatter going on. This reminds me of Splatoon, but I think it symbolizes the liquid state of mercury. Let's open up the box. I'm honestly really excited to see this keyboard in person. Okay, so inside the box, we've got the keyboard itself. We've got the switch puller, we've got a brush, and we also have 4 different types of switches. A box that contains the USB-A to USB-C cable. We've got the user manual. This keyboard coming in at $130 US. I would say it comes with a decent amount of stuff. All right, now let's take this keyboard out of the sleeve. We've got the gradient white colorway. Okay, this keyboard looks very clean, I'm not gonna lie. But what matters the most is the typing experience, the sound, and also the features that come with this keyboard. So like I said before, the case itself is super unique. I mean, look at this. I was actually looking at cases similar to this if I were to build out an entire custom keyboard, and they looked absolutely sick. So the fact that we have a stock keyboard that comes with a casing like this, I think that's really cool. So shout outs to Gravastar for making something unique. The keyboard has a nice weight to it. Also on the back side, we've got a couple toggles. We've got Wi-Fi, we've got power, and then we've got Bluetooth. Now if I turn it on to Wi-Fi, this part actually lights up, which I think that's so cool. Let me turn off the light so you guys can actually see the lighting on the keyboard. Wow, the lighting actually goes through the entire keyboard case, except the backside. The backside is just a bunch of different materials, and of course the lights are underneath the keycaps. So we also have a USB-C port, as well as a Windows and Mac switch where you can choose depending on the OS you're using. But other than that though, on the top right we have a volume knob. As you guys can see, you can toggle it up, toggle it down, and it has like a nice tactile feel to it. If you press down, press up. Okay, so all these details are really cool, including this little emblem right here. It's not a button or anything, it's just like a little plastic or glass slab. I think it's plastic, but the fact that it shows that little emblem is really cool. It's also lit up. On the bottom side, we actually have a bunch of cool engravings and designs, even when there doesn't need to be. I think that's really cool that they even focused on the bottom side. So we have the USB dongle at the bottom. I'm kind of worried about this though. It is magnetic, keeping it in place, but I feel like if you shake it around, I mean, even if you shake it around really hard, it's not falling out. But I feel like if it gets bumped really hard or something, it might fall out. It's barely secured. So that's what worries me a little bit. But we have the USB dongle so you can connect it wirelessly. But that does worry me a little bit because it doesn't feel that secure. Might be a little bit on the expensive side for what it is for a fully plastic keyboard. Okay, with that being said, there's 2 levels, 2 height levels for this keyboard. You've got a medium level and a higher level. So there's 2 different levels that you can put the keyboard at. Let's try typing and let's see what it sounds like. Hey, would you look at that? I still got it. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think, how this keyboard sounds. This right here is the Gravastar Mercury K1 in the gradient white colorway. And if there's any other keyboard that you guys want me to test out in the future, let me know. I want to try unique ones, all right? Try to get me to look at the most unique designs and different types of keyboard, because I don't want to unbox the most generic looking keyboards. I want to try something unique, something new. It doesn't have to be the design itself. It could be whatever's inside the keyboard, because hey, I'm down to try something crazy. But I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one, alright? Peace. You know what this keyboard case reminds me of? It reminds me of a fossil. Yeah, it has like a skeletal look to it. I don't know. If it's just me, let me know, but I feel like it makes it look like a fossil. You know that one Pokemon that's always holding a bone and has like a little skull on top of him? That's what it looks like.